Hi guys, it's Andy from Nismotech. Hope you're doing well and keeping safe. Now, as part of my Spread the Christmas Cheer range of videos showcasing various different decorations, outdoor lights, gift ideas, and also some technology that you can use to help kind of decorate your house, I've been sent quite a number of products from Longacres Garden Centre, and this is one of them I have here right in front of me. There will be links down below in the description to this. It is currently $29.99, which I think is absolutely fantastic value for money, and also there will be links down below to some of the other items that are sent over to me. So what have I got here? So this is a indoor or outdoor 47cm snowflake. So it's a soft touch, kind of like an acrylic outdoor light. It comes with 72 static multicoloured and 8 flashing green LEDs, and also a 5-metre cable length. It's made by Premier. They are one of the leading decorations manufacturers in the UK, so you know that you're going to get really good quality for money. And also, when Longacres Garden Centre ship this type of product to you, they do really make sure that it's well padded and well protected, so it's going to not damage in transit, which I think is really good. So just go and take it out of the box and have a look and see what it looks like, and then I'll plug it in and we can go from there. So you do have a box with a plug adapter in there. Just bring this out of the box right now. There we go. Down at the bottom you have got a kind of instruction leaflet if you do need that. But here it is. Looks fantastic. So one thing I really like is up at the top you've got a little hook, so you can hang it from there. Very well made indeed. Obviously, as I mentioned, you do have a very long cable, 5-metre cable, and as with all Premier lights, you have that type of connector. So if you do need to extend it, Premier also sell extension cables as well. So I'll see like a clear acrylic look to the star. Looks absolutely fantastic, really well made. It's quite a thick star actually as well, but certainly should withstand obviously all the elements, the wind, etc. And there's actually, if I bring you in a bit closer, you can see the metal framework that the lights are actually wrapped around. So looks absolutely fantastic. Quite lightweight as well actually. So I'm going to go and plug it in and we can see kind of what it looks like lit up. Okay guys, are you ready for this? It's lit up, it's down below me. Ta-da! That is absolutely fantastic. Obviously with the static multicoloured LEDs and the green flashing that are on there. Let me go and turn the light off a moment, so hopefully it will stand out a little bit better for you. If you're looking for a statement outside Christmas decoration, yeah, this is definitely the best value one I think that's on the market right now. $29.99 from Longacres Garden Centre. Now, there are quite a number of variations in terms of size and different shapes of stars that you can get from places like Homebase, B&M, various other garden centres as well. They're all slightly different, but this one is extremely strong, whereas a lot of them are flat. This has obviously got quite a lot of a profile, so it's going to make it even stronger. It means that if you drop it or bash it about in the wind, it's not going to break and it's not going to become damaged. And I think it looks absolutely fantastic. It's a very nice star. So, there we go. That is the Premier star. I'm going to find a location for it to go outside. I think I know exactly where I'm going to put it. So, as soon as it is up, I will wait for the weather to die down, and obviously when it's dark, and I will then show you what it looks like outside. So the star is now up, it's in place, so I'm just going to give you a bit of a visual indication as to what it looks like during the day, and obviously we'll come back a bit later and have a look at it in the dark. But I have it mounted to the top of my fence, or my driveway gate, whatever you want to call it, here. And obviously the cable is running across there, down there, to that box, to give you a bit of an indication as to how long the cable is. But it's mounted up there, really secure, nice and lightweight. Obviously it's not quite ideal with the post behind it, but we're going to come back later on and see what it looks like in the dark. Okay, so as you can see, it's pretty dark outside. You're probably going to struggle to see me, but we're going to take a look at the star, which is just up there. But before I do, I'm just going to go down to the bottom of the drive. Obviously the garden's pretty well lit up now, but we do have a few more bits and bobs to do. But that's the star right there, looking absolutely fantastic. Now obviously the camera is not going to pick it up as well as the naked eye, and with it drizzling a little bit as well, it doesn't really particularly help too much. But that is looking absolutely fantastic. I cannot believe how bright that is, and it really does stand out as a kind of statement outside decoration, in my opinion. Again, I apologise for the slight drizzle. I've waited for about 4 or 5 days now to get this done, and I thought that the rain would have held off for me, but it hasn't. But I wanted to show this to you. So yeah, as I said, looks absolutely fantastic. Really good build quality. And the packaging on that is fantastic from Longacres. So big thank you to them for their support in making this video. The links down below in the description will take you directly to their website, where you can go and check out the price. I don't know if there's going to be any Black Friday deals or anything like that, but that star is an absolute bargain in my opinion. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or any comments, please do leave them down below, and I hope you have a fantastic Christmas. Take care, bye bye.